Hi, we're going to continue in our altered book series, and this is going to be probably about 12 to 14 videos as we go page by page, embellishing and altering in our book. So we're turning a book into a journal. So it's an altered book journal. And this is going to help you to learn how to add another craft skill to your list of crafting skills. Your list of whatevers. So thank you for coming back. This is Marsha here at Markets of Sunshine in Florida. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for joining me and crafting with me here on my channel, Markets of Sunshine. And it's always something fun and exciting that's going on here. This is video number 2 in our series. So we started off with what steps you needed. There was 4 basic steps to get started, so we covered those in video number 1. You can go back and look at that. If you already have a book and you already want to make an altered book, then let's just jump right in and let's get started. Let me show you step by step and take you through the process of what I did here on this page. So if you have discoloration in a book on pages, this book is from 1964, so obviously there's a lot of patina going on here, a lot of age spots going on. So I wanted to cover that up. The cover itself had torn. When I received it, it had a piece of tape on there, so I'll work on the cover last. But right now I just want to work on these pages here. So I've come in with my white gesso. This is just your basic white acrylic gesso. You can pick this up at your craft store. I get mine at Michael's. And then also tacky glue, Aleene's tacky glue and a Mod Podge. I mix that together. And a heat gun. It's winter time to help speed things up. If you don't have a heat gun, that's perfectly okay. Just let things dry before you move on to adding anything else and working in your journal. So if I were to turn the page of this book, then this gesso takes a long time to dry. I came in with the heat gun, but it's still going to take some time to dry. All of the paint here is probably already dried pretty quickly, but the gesso is going to be the one that takes the longest to dry. So since the pages that I picked out for this book are in a darker tone, I wanted to use paints that obviously matched. I don't want to be using pastels when the rest of my book is all these nice, beautiful, dark, rich colors. So the only thing that I had in my collection that matched were the metallic gold, antique gold, and this navy blue. So I said, that's good enough. Close enough, so let's just use that. Now what I want to do is I want to come in with some of my distressing ink and my stamps and just add a little bit more of a nice diversity onto the page. So let me get my inks here. Moving things around. I just finished the first video. I jumped right into the second video, so I'm going to speed this along. It's not going to be video Day 1, video 1. Day 2, video 2. No, it's going to be like probably 2 videos a day. I'm just going to speed us right through this series, and so that way you don't have to wait till the next day to come back and see it. So boom, you can just go watch the first video. It was real short, 7 minutes. Now here we are. We're going to jump right into this video, and we're going to just start embellishing the page. So like I said, this was a doily, plain white doily. So it started off looking like this. Okay, you can see all the texture of the trellis and the flowers. Okay, and then the leaf going on here in the middle. But I came in with a white watercolor paint. So I just diluted it down like a wash and just put a little puddle of paint, and then I just came in with my water and mixed it all up to get it very thin. So you can see it's very thin here. Started off dark, and then as I was running down on the paint, obviously the blue faded, which is perfect, and the gold came in, did the same thing with the gold, and then I mixed the gold and the blue together with what was left, and then this color here is what came out in the middle, which I like it. I think it looks really good, so I'm gonna stick with that. I'm gonna go with that. Now I like to come in and use whatever stamps that I have and whatever, theme I want to go with, and right now it's just like I want to be fun, I want to be happy, and I've got this whole motto going on of be a kind human, And, you know, so it's just like, let's just keep, let's make ourselves happy. And when you're happy doing things, that helps you to show kindness to others. So that's how I feel about it, and that's what motivates me and things that I love. So I'm looking out at my window here in nature. I love nature. And so I love flowers, the animals. So I'm looking at my stamps. And the other day when we did the card, Be Kind card, and I had these stamps right here was what I picked out. So the butterfly, the acorn, the whatever the pine cone. Woo, that just went right out of my mind. Pine cone, and I think I saw a squirrel. Okay, so I want a squirrel. So today we're going to have a squirrel. And then where's my big leaf thingamajiggy? Okay, yes, my pine needle leaf. And then here's another pine cone. I don't know why I can't think of that word. Just like, poof. Did not want to come to the forefront. Alright, so we're going to come in here now. Like I said, I do not have, the only thing I have are these dark colors. So I'm going to come in with the dark, and we'll see what it looks like. I do have the lighter end of antique linen I have. Let me grab antique linen. I have the other inks by Stampin' Up, but I wanted to stick with these distress inks right now. Let's just see if these will turn out and everything. That'll be fine. Because I want to kind of keep it muted right now. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm just going to come in. Oh yeah, see that's perfect. Now that is a perfect color. Probably the brushed corduroy would look good too. So I'm not going on the gesso. So I'm just going in wherever there's no gesso. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. Just Jim Dandy. Now we're going to get the brushed corduroy. And I usually have, which I'll just go ahead and use this paper towel as my blotter. Alright, now I have a bigger size of the brushed corduroy. Now, this was the first one I ever purchased from them. And then like my little itty bitties I got off of Home Shopping Network, they happened to have it on a clearance area. I just happened to snag that. I was really happy. Okay, so the brushed corduroy and the antique linen go very, very nice together with what I want to do here. If I come in with the walnut stain, which is fine, but that's really going to make it pop, so I'll do that here in a minute, but I think I'll just keep, okay, let's see, I have, sprinkling him around. Alright, so I'm going to keep the lids off of these two. And I like to clean my stamps out as I go, so I'm just, okay, this is a butterfly. Let's leave the butterfly for last. I wish I had a green. Maybe I'll come in, no, yeah, let's come in with the walnut with this pine needle looking leaf. Okay, that looks good. As you know, it's like they're evergreen, so they stay green. But every now and again, you will find one that's dyed. And they're brown. I like that. Looks really nice. Let's come over on that. Okay, we can. So I kind of just brushed the gesso in some areas, and then I came back in with my stencil, so that's where I'm looking at this. I don't want to get on the stencil area. Okay, now what do we have? The squirrel. Let's come in here with the squirrely. Alright, let's give Squirrely, we'll give him a brown. Alright, we'll put him. He's so cute. Okay, yep, so he's just sprinkled on the page. He is so cute. I don't know about you, but I love to have fun with my projects. And whenever I pick out and stamp it and it looks good, then you just say, "Oh, it does. It looks cute, doesn't it?" I mean, that's just your natural feelings, you know? So I'm expressing verbally my thoughts of what I'm feeling when I stamp this, so that you know that's how I'm feeling. I don't know if you think that, you know. We're not normally going, "Oh," out loud when we're in our room crafting, but right now it's just like, I want you to know how happy it makes me. Okay, so let's come over here. Oh, this is cute. I like it. What do you think? Really, really cute. Okay, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you would like to learn more fun crafting techniques and tips here on my channel. And you can join our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction. You have to be a subscriber of my channel to be able to get in the group. And we have a lot of fun, and it's very group-oriented. I don't allow spamming in the group. I don't allow post and run in the group. This is a group orientation where everybody is an inspiration to everyone, and we have a lot of fun together, and we are very supportive of each other's projects. We have so many fun activities every day of the week, so there's never a boring, dull day in the group at all. So I invite you to check that out in the description box below. And my Etsy shops, you can find me there. You'll find lots of my products that I make there. I have a lot of, I have 2 shops. One's vintage supplies. So lots of vintage fabric I have, laces, trims, buttons, project books, tools of all various types for crocheting, knitting, you name it. I mean, there's a variety of things there. So a lot of things I'm destashing for my own, you know, things I don't use anymore. I have one of the original small Cricut machines, and I may destash that in my shop. I'm thinking I might hold on to it, and I don't even know if you can get the cartridges and all that kind of thing for it anymore. So if you can, I'll research it, and I might use that as a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm holding on to it now. I'm debating what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, so but just know that right now I'm working on 300 subscribers. So if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be in the next giveaway, and I'm giving away 5 prizes. One's a $30 credit to you can use either one of my Etsy shops. One winner will win that. That's the grand prize. And then there's 4 prizes that are 31 gift products. And there's a variety of things. I have a cell phone holder. I have a little organizer bag. 2 wallets that are all brand new products. I used to sell 31 gifts. So those are going to be prizes that I'll be giving away as well. But you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to have a public subscription account. So if you subscribe and you're private, then I can't verify that you are a subscriber. So you have to have a public account so that I can verify you. Other than that, and then comment, like, share, and all those good things. You know the drill if you've ever entered anybody else's giveaways here on YouTube. So we all basically ask the same things. Alright, so how do you like that page? Didn't it turn out really pretty? Very nice. I think it's adorable. And so now we'll work on the next pages, and I might go back over here because I kind of skipped this front page here, so I might do something here on these 2 pages. So I think next video, which will be tomorrow, because I've already done 2 today. So tomorrow's video, this will be one right here. We'll gesso it up, and we'll cover it up and do some fun techniques on that one as well. Okay, so thank you for being here with me, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great and crafting day. Bye-bye.